guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you guys know, Bob Lazar has been probably one of the most interesting whistleblowers that's come out since the 80s when a lot of these whistleblowers started coming out. You guys know that George Knapp discovered him. Bob came to him in the name of Dennis, and he said he worked at Area 51, the S4 division, and in there he was brought in to reverse engineer some alien spacecraft. And with that, he's come up with some pretty interesting stuff. So I know a lot of people don't believe a lot of things about him, but I'm going to show you a rare interview where he talks about alien beings. He read something and he got some information on what he's thinking these beings are considering that we are. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let him talk about this, and I'll be back in just a minute.
Basically, we're a product of genetic engineering from someone.
Yeah. How can you just swallow that whole?
Well, how can you swallow any of this stuff?
Well, it's easy to swallow things you can put your hands on to touch and work with. That's no problem. But when you get into a lot of spiritual stuff and religion, and you were brought here, and we were made by progressive corrections and evolution and that sort of thing, and where it shoots down a lot of the established religions, Catholicism, and everything. Said, essentially it's a tough thing to accept, and why, without hardcore proof, why even bring it up?
I guess the question more should deal with that you actually read a report that said this stuff.
Well, yeah, the only hardcore thing is that there is a extremely classified document dealing with religion, and it's about that thick. Period. But why would there be any classified material dealing with religion? That's the only thing we can say.
What other kinds of classified?
Autopsy, pre-human autopsy. No, that wasn't the last subject.
I want to go back to the religion thing. I want you to say it.
Oh, come on, that's so weird. That's a lie.
I'm not asking you to say what you believe to be a fact. I'm asking you to say what you read in a report that is distributed at what may be the most top secret facility in the world. Okay. All right.
All right, I'll say it. It's so far out.
All right, your objection has been noted.
Okay.
What does it say?
That we're containers. That's how supposedly the aliens look at us. That we are nothing but containers.
Containers of?
Containers. Maybe containers of souls. You can come up with whatever theory you want, but we're containers, and that's how we're mentioned in the documents. That religion was specifically created, so we have some rules and regulations for the sole purpose of not damaging the containers.
The souls? Meaning,
well, the souls or the bodies, whatever. That's
meaning like we're containers for souls that they're going to use at some other point.
Right.
All right, y'all, just a quick video on that. So I want to get you guys' comments on that. I have a couple of things about Bob that's going to be a little bit longer, but I wanted to at least show this to you, see your comments on it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your friends, you guys, and stay tuned for some more videos. I always appreciate you watching.